Is the name section No. 1 in the tractor image below? Perfect. Front weight is the correct choice. Identify the implement. Well reasoned. Backpack harvester is the correct choice. What tractor is this? Excellent. Challenger is a brilliant choice. The meaning of fertilizing plus cultivating in the small tractor unit application is dash. Well done. Fertilization plus weed control is the right choice. Which of the following was not a feature of the first gasoline tractor built by Hart and Parr? You chose rubber tires, and it is correct. What was the significant contribution of Hart and Parr's company to the agricultural industry? Smart move. Inventing the first gasoline tractor is an accurate answer. What was the name of the company that Charles W. Hart and Charles H. Parr started in 1897? Bravo! Hart-Parr Gasoline Engine Company is the answer. Mention the tractor model used for road collection and usually transports 3 tons trailers. Exactly. MX500 makes sense and it is right choice. What is the capacity of the F spreader that is usually drawn by a 95 HP tractor? Correct response. 6 ton is the most accurate answer. Approximately 50% of all tractor fatalities come from what tractor hazard group? Right choice. Overturns is the best answer. Which company is credited with the introduction of the general-purpose tractor? You're right. Ford Motor Company is the correct answer. The machine is used in the framework of plant maintenance. The machine is dash. Valid point. Boom spraying is true. The majority of tractor pitos turn at what revolutions per minute? Sharp thinking. 541,000 is the right choice. Which farm equipment is essential for preparing the soil for planting? Clear logic. Your choice plow is sound and 100% true. In what year did Hart and Parr build their first gasoline tractor? Nicely done. 1901 is a solid answer. Which of the following is not a function of modern farm equipment? A. Nice work. You chose increasing soil erosion, and it is correct. Tractor Kubota MX-5100 is included in the class tractor category. Nice selection. Medium is the correct and valid answer. What is the biggest power tractor Kubota today supported by P? Great job, 100 HP is the accurate answer. What was the name of the first successful gasoline tractor? You got it. Your choice, the Froelich tractor, is right. Statistically, which type of farm has the most injuries? Smart pick. Livestock is the correct choice. Brake pedal should be latched while driving the tractor. On track. On road is the correct answer. The tractor part that is marked by the number 4 is dash. Correct. Canopy is the right answer. The important part of the tractor shown in number 7 is. Good job. Your answer pattern works well here. How long is the tractor stock for non-popular model? Good thinking. 4 months is the right answer. Which country tractor Kubota L5 Sudil 18 is produced in? Solid response. Thailand is a valid choice. Which of these is not a tractor hazard category? Great thinking. High-speed collisions is the right choice. The points discussed at today's concert are dash. Excellent choice. Kubota farm tractors and machineries is the right answer. Front axle of tractor is single point pivoted. Well picked. Single point pivoted is the correct answer. Where is the center of gravity on a tractor? Right again. The point where all parts balance one another is a valid answer, sir. Is the name of the unit used to harvest rice? Strong choice. Combine harvester is the right answer. There is any suspension present in tractor? Correct response. No is the most accurate answer. What is the weight of the tractor MX5 100s? Clear logic. Your choice 1642 kgs is sound and 100% true. Which of the following is must in tractor? Excellent choice. Both P2 and hydraulic is the right answer. The following is a picture of dash. You got it? Your choice Kubota tractor plus dewatering pump is right. When is a tractor battery charged? Solid response. While the engine is operating is a valid choice. 3-point linkage is present in. You chose tractor, and it is correct. What color is the case tractor? Nicely done. Red is a solid answer. In tractor, the brake is in. Right again. Rear wheels only with individual wheel braking is a valid answer. Tractor is a... Exactly. Low-speed, high-torque machine makes sense, and it is right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Oh! Sharp thinking. Contact Narayan Changder is the right choice.